common multiples. This is more fun. Least common multiple. This is the smallest number that is a multiple of both numbers. For example, let's take 18 and 30. Least common multiple is 90, right? 18 times 5 is 90. 30 times 3 is 90. This is the smallest number that both numbers multiply into. Does that make sense? If we take, for example, another example, take, for example, 4 and 5. Least common multiple is 20, right? Smallest number that both of them go into evenly. How do we find this? The least common multiple is always the multiplication of the unique highest order exponentially prime factors. Let's do a hard one. Let's pick something like, I don't know, here, 6, 46, and 34. How do we find least common multiple of these two numbers? We prime factorize them, which becomes, this is, what, 2 times 17 times 19. This is 17 times 2. The answer is therefore, right, multiplication of all the highest order unique prime factors. 17 times 2 appears here, don't need it, times 19. Or 34 times 19, right? Which equals 646. Actually, it divides evenly into it, never mind. It's 646 itself. Okay? Does that make sense, everybody? Let's try another one like this. Let's try, let's see, 60 and 45. How do I do this? I prime factorize 60. What do I get? Can someone tell me? If I prime factorize 60, I have 2 squared times 3 times 5. And 45 is 3 squared times 5. The answer is 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. These two drop out. Does that make sense or not? Right? It is the multiplication of the highest expression exponentially of each unique prime factor. All right, let's see if we can do it. We're going to get a whole bunch of these.